Hey there, welcome to our YouTube video where we dive into a common problem that many Rust developers face. Picture this. You have tons of re-exports in your code to make things easier, but sometimes you want to exclude a specific item to prevent any confusion or conflicts in naming. That's the problem we'll be addressing today. Now, let's talk about the solution. Unfortunately, in Rust, there isn't a specific syntax to exclude items from imports. However, do keep in mind that if you have a specific import along with a glob import, the specific import will always take precedence. So if you import everything from stuff, but also import bar from other underscore stuff, there won't be any conflict. The bar from other underscore stuff will always be chosen. Just remember, it's usually best to avoid glob imports and opt for specific imports instead, especially when you want to exclude certain items. In summary, we discussed a common problem in Rust where you want to exclude specific items from imports to prevent naming conflicts. While there isn't a direct solution for this issue, prioritizing specific imports over glob imports can help you avoid conflicts. Remember, keeping your imports specific is a good practice in Rust development. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a witty comment below. Happy coding!